Hi everybody, my name is Zulaikha. I am a trichologist. Many people ask me tips about hair fall and they always look for something which I can share and they will do. We always have impression that we dealing with hair. So what is hair? Hair is the outermost layer of the shaft which is we always treat with. We go salon to cut them, we go anywhere to treat them, and we wash all the while to our hair. It's a very common misconception that we washing hair, but it is actually we washing hair. So when we come to the point where we can see hair everywhere, that's where we start worrying about and we think that our hair is falling. But hair coming from where and they're falling from where? So when we find them in washrooms, on pillow, in the room, everywhere, in our brush. So that's where the point when we get worried and we start panic and we start search about so many things. So when it comes to male pattern and female pattern hair loss, both have similar worry and both have similar concern about their appearance. So when we see our hairline, what is our hairline? So our hairline is where our hair starts growing, and then when they start lesser, that means we are losing our hair or growth is not connecting back. So when we go slightly behind, when we open our hair without looking at from the microscopic, some hair does not look bad at all and it sounds very normal. And some hair have a lot of dandruff and it can be seen that surface is very much infected. So this study is all about how we can find out at which point of time our scalp is having what. When we see microscopic photos of scalp, is very scary. Trust me. At earlier times, I was not bothered about them and I do not wanted to sit and see how they look alike. And I have always this impression that my scalp is good, it's normal. But it was my misunderstanding towards myself. So what I did, I have studied about it that how a microscopy can help us to go underneath and look from the surface. So when it comes to scalp cleansing, a lot of people think that it looks nice, it looks fine. I don't have any issue other than a slight dandruff here there or my scalp is just oily. But it is not just oily. It has a lot of issues underneath surface. So through the microscopic we always find it and from there we help to search, figure it out, how can we help to solve your issue, which is the most disturbing you. When we wash our hair, we have always this impression that we are washing our hair with the shampoo, and this shampoo is written there, it's for anti-dandruff. We use a lot of products for our appearance like color, highlights. So how they are damaging or bad or good or because we do not have any option. So what we have to do? We have to use a better, reliable, plant-based where have least chemical involvement because there is nothing made without chemical. We are living in this era, we cannot survive without chemicals. But there are good chemicals and there are bad chemicals. So you have to take care of such. You have to ask your stylist. Sometimes they hide, sometimes they share. So you have to be very careful. Then if you are concerned about it, you should know what is in your color. Like how we buy food, how we buy oil for our body, but we buy food. When we go to buy food, we see the ingredients, what is all inside there. So that's how you have to take care from your color and your shampoo and your scalp shampoo and your anything which is relevant to this sector especially. So that's where you have to be very careful about. And the food. Food plays really big part because what we eat, it shows us. So there are plenty of food which rich in protein, but too much protein for some hair also cause some kind of disturbance and does not matches. So you have to be very careful. Once once you find out where you are, what is your assumption, what is your cloud of assumption, you have to figure it out first. Then you have to think about it, where you are now and what food and what product and what type of take care you can do to yourself. Hi viewers, thanks for watching my program, and it was solely for great help for you guys to understand small and big matters. If you have any concern, query or something which you want to clear from me, please message me or email me or DM me, or you have a lot of options to reach to me, and I will definitely gonna help everybody. Just make my mission accomplished. Everybody must learn carefully and spread this word to your loved ones, your friends, your family, because if we keep it with us, it's not gonna give us anything. But if we give to somebody, you will definitely gonna be positive and you're gonna get rewards from that. So always be happy, be positive, and remember to subscribe my channel because you do not want to miss any information. Thanks for watching. Bye.